I started with this Krylon Chalky Finish Classic White spray paint, and outside I took my pumpkin wreath form and I spray painted the entire thing with the Classic White spray paint. A lot of you have probably seen these right at Dollar Tree, but if they are sold out, you can also get them off of Etsy. And I allowed that to dry, and once it was dry, I took some green floral wire. And then I got a pack of these wood beads from Amazon. They're about $12.99 for a 200 count. And what I did is I strung some of the floral wire at the bottom of the pumpkin. And then I snipped the first metal bar on the left at the top. And then I strung my wood beads, making sure the floral wire and the metal bar went through the hole of the bead. And then when I got to the last bead at the top, I took some E6000 and put some on the metal piece that we had cut. And then I'm going to take the floral wire we strung through and now wrap it at the top to reconnect the bar that we had cut. So the floral wire that we string through, we are wrapping around the top and bottom frame for extra strength since we are cutting the metal bar to apply the wooden beads. So again, we're just going to wrap the floral wire at the bottom of the bar, cut the metal bar at the top, leaving enough space where you cut that a bead can fit. We're stringing the beads through the floral wire and the metal bar. I took some E6000, put my last bead on, and then when I get to the end, I'm just going to twist the floral wire to the top of the frame. And I basically did this until the entire pumpkin form was completely filled with beads. I then took some ribbon. I have a gingham and a orange, and I took my pinking shears and I cut that to about 5 inches long. And I took some lamb's ear. You can get this right from the Hobby Lobby. And I put one on the left and one on the right. And I attached it to the center of the stem on the pumpkin wreath form. And I attached that using some more of the green floral wire. And then I took my ribbon and I decided to cut 2 more pieces. So then I had a total of 4 pieces of ribbon, 2 in the orange and 2 in the buffalo plaid. And I just overlap them and scrunch them in the center. And then I secured that using a piece of jute. And then you can just fluff the ends open, and when the ribbon is wired, it just helps move them around and give them a shape. I then tied that to the center of the lamb's ear. I took this half wooden bead. You can get these at Hobby Lobby. I believe they come in a pack of about 10. And I just glued it to the center of my ribbon. And there you go. Now we just have this beaded farmhouse pumpkin. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube channel and our webpage. Have a great day.